Alrighty, guys, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back here to the live coverage, my friends. Hope everyone's doing good. Good thing I just went live because we just got ourselves a tornado warning here. I believe this is the first tornado warning of the day here. But what's up, everybody? Hope everyone's doing good. Welcome back to the coverage. Let's see here. So we got a tornado warning here towards Jefferson City, Missouri, out there by Lynn and Westphalia, I think it is, towards Teos. Let's see here, 2-inch hail also possible on that tornado warning there. So not only is there, obviously a problem here for tornadic activity, but there's also, possibly 2-inch hail on that storm as well. We got about 43 minutes left on that. That includes Cole and Osage County, I think it is. Kind of out there in pretty much east central Missouri is where that's at here. We have a lot of nasty, severe weather going on right now, my friends. Let's see. What's up, guys? Hope everyone's doing good. What's up, Tabletop? What's up, Mark? What's up? Let's see. Rinsies? What's up, Velocity? What's up, Marby? Mark? I think I already said Mark. What's up, Mark? We're doing good, man. Velocity. We have Weather Storm. Big question. I was talking to somebody. I think tomorrow will be upgraded to a high risk. I'm not too sure about all that, my friend. We'll see if that happens or not, but I'm not really feeling it right now. Let's see. You're concerned about this for West Virginia, says Mark. Gotcha. We'll get into that here in a minute, but y'all, but let's actually bring you guys over here to this area here. We got ourselves a tornado warning in effect here out there by Westphalia, I think it is, out there by Loose Creek, Teos, Rich Fountains included. We have Lynn inside of that tornado warning there. As you can see, we do have a bit of rotation located here towards Westphalia. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. It's actually got a bit of a hook on it, like a classic supercell. We got that warm inflow pulling in here. A lot of warm air is really pulling up into the storm here. We're getting a lot of that cooler back air coming in from your rear flank downdraft there. So, this storm actually does have the history of producing hail up to golf ball size hail here. So, pretty large storm going on out there. We got a severe thunderstorm warning in effect also for 2-inch hail, 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So it's not only just a tornado concern, but also 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and, of course, some hail as a possibility on that one. Let's see here. Anyways, let's see. When will Columbus, Ohio get storms? So the main event tomorrow is going to be for, like I said, for Ohio tomorrow. The timing is going to be somewhere in the late afternoon, early evening, from what it looks like. So we'll get more into that here tomorrow, though. Obviously, yeah, because like I said, right now we got ourselves a tornado warning here. We got a whole list of warnings going on here. We got some out there by Texas. We got Missouri, Oklahoma. It's kind of where all the warnings are at right now. So between Texas, Missouri, and Oklahoma, That's kind of right where all of these are at. But like I was saying, y'all, we are watching a tornado warning in effect out there by pretty much east central Missouri, out there by Lynn, by Loose Creek, by Teos. We have Westphalia and Rich Fountain area. We'll definitely keep it out there for that. Velocity said, do I see Teos, Missouri? Yes, that is right here. Like I said, I'm not too sure that's how you pronounce that. Teos, maybe. Like I said, I'm not entirely too sure. But obviously we'll have to keep an eye out there for that region overall. I'm actually going to keep those up for now. Let's see here. What's up, Ragtide? What's up, Kai? Hope you guys are doing good. Everybody else who's not chatting, hope you guys are doing all right. We also got a nasty storm to the east out there heading into St. Louis. It's a little bit concerning. It's actually a pretty strong supercell. It's got a bit of a hook tail on there as well. Let's see. Golf ball size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gust is a concern on that one. We just reported 72-mile-an-hour winds earlier with that storm there. Let's see. Also got damage reports out there by Washington. Multiple trees and branches down on west end of Washington. Branches between 6 and 12 inches. Pretty big. Yeah, that's pretty big branches. But yeah, 72-mile-an-hour winds on that one storm. So take this as an early warning to my folks out there in St. Louis. So for St. Louis areas here, including like St. Charles, just a bit of a heads up for you guys because, like I said, we have a nasty supercell rolling into the region here. It definitely does got a bit of a hook shape to it. I'm not seeing much of a mesocyclone underneath it as of now, but those things could definitely kick up pretty quickly. Golf ball hail on that 60-mile-an-hour wind gust, and that's kind of the main concern as of right now. Let's see here. Rhonda says, thank you, Edger, for your efforts on our behalf, watching from Columbus, Ohio. Glad to have you here, Rhonda. Hope you're doing good, my friend, and you are very, very welcome. But once again, y'all, we are watching a tornado warning. This is out there by Loose Creek, by Lynn, by Westphalia. We have Teos, and as well as Rich Fountain. You guys are inside of that tornado warning here. And once again, this storm definitely does have the history of producing a lot of hail because we did have reports of quarter hail, golf ball hail, more quarter hail, more golf ball hail, and actually penny-size hail. So we do got ourselves quite a bit of hail that's being reported on this storm here. So it's definitely a pretty strong storm. Now, like I was saying, once again to the east, we're going to be watching out for that other supercell kicking off there as well. Now, let's go and hop you guys over here to this side of things. If we hop over here northwest of Springfield, Missouri, we got another supercell kicking up out here. This is out there by Lamar. We have Newport, Jericho Springs, and Montevallo for the next 23 minutes. 1.25-inch hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts here overall. It's pronounced toes. Okay, so about there by toes. Gotcha. So it's not Teos, it's toes. Okay. Sounds good, man. Thank you. Appreciate that. But yeah, so then we also are watching Oklahoma, which, since our first little bit of coverage there, things have improved. Things have kicked up there. So north of Oklahoma City, we got a storm out there by Crescent, Oklahoma, which is warned for literally ping pong ball size hail and 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and they also did include a tour possible tag on that. Let's see here. Also, this includes portions by Perry. Portions around Interstate 35 is included inside of that warning there overall. So that's that. What's up, Lake Effect? Hope you're doing good. Let's see here. What's up, Dennis? Hope you're doing good, my friend. Let's see here. Sandy says, thank you, Andrew. Watching from Higbee, Missouri. Thanks for your coverage. You're very welcome, Sandy. Glad to be here for you. Glad to help out. Like I said, obviously, it's kind of an active day today. Tomorrow, too. And like I said, since tomorrow's my birthday, I'm not sure how long I'm going to be able to be live tomorrow, but I'm going to shoot for a while. I want to be live at least for that main set of storms to roll through, Ohio, not Oklahoma, through Ohio. But I will we'll figure all that out tomorrow, obviously, whenever we get to that event there. But anyways, so yeah, watching the tornado warning, guys. Like I was saying, we got ourselves a tornado warning that's in effect here out there by Jefferson City, Missouri. This is just southeast of Jefferson City out there by Toes, by Westphalia. We have Lynn included, Highway 50 on that there. We got ourselves also the possibility on that storm not only of tornadic activity, but we're also seeing the possibility here for 2-inch hail. So 2-inch hail definitely does seem to be a bit of a concern on that storm as well. So, once again, it's not just the the tornadic activity that we're watching in this storm here, but it's also the bit of hail as well. So we'll definitely keep an eye on it. Tabletop says, what's my thoughts on Wednesday? Well, like I said, man, we have a marginal. Not much more to learn about it right now. But like I said, I think there could possibly be a bit of severe weather expected for Wednesday too. But yeah, we'll get into that whenever it gets a little closer to us. Let's see here. Nilda says, happy birthday, Andrew. Thank you. Yeah, like I said, it's tomorrow. So like I said, of course, out of all days, we have a potential outbreak on our hands tomorrow. So, man, Mother Nature just doesn't care. Literally just does not care, about all that. But anyways, so to the west here of Oklahoma City, we got a severe thunderstorm warning in effect here for 1.5-inch hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts out there by Greenfield, by Bridgeport. Let's see here. We got ourselves Crescent. This is all in Oklahoma, by the way, y'all. By Crescent, Oklahoma, 70-mile-an-hour winds, 1.25-inch hail towards Perry. So just a bit of a heads up for you guys. Let's see here. What's expected for Jackson, Tennessee, around 8 a.m.? So we're gonna make this quick, okay? Because we got a tornado warning in effect here. So Jackson, according to models here, could see some storms. Right at 8 a.m. Not a whole lot going on there. It'll probably be tomorrow afternoon whenever you get some things. But like I said, we'll get to that tomorrow. Whenever things things pop off here for tomorrow. Let's see here. Lost says, guys, let's focus on the warnings going on right now. Yeah, like I said, we'll get to those eventually, guys. But like I said, since we have a tornado warning in effect here, we kind of gotta focus on the current time of things and not really in the future at the moment, because like I said, there's just a lot of activity going on here right now. Okay, but once again, y'all, so we're watching a tornado warning here. This is out there in kind of portions of eastern, almost like pretty much central Missouri. This is just southeast here of Jefferson City. Like I said, out there by Westphalia. We got ourselves Lynn included. We have, obviously, Interstate 50 here overall. Let's see here. Andrew, the majority of the storm's going to be at night here in Indiana. Let's see. Warm and supercell right now. Well, stay safe out there, Nikki. What's up, Kitty? Hope you're doing good. Michigan's not going to get tornadoes. Not today. Let's see. Thank you, Sandy. Appreciate it. Thank you. Let's see here. Okay, what about Cincinnati, Ohio? So, yeah, Cincinnati's going to watch out there for it. Let's actually take a look at Cincinnati. We did have a couple storms earlier. You are clear right now, so I'd say you're good to go do some stuff for at least right now. But just know that there is still a risk for severe weather out by you, in which, definitely keep an eye out there for it. Let's see here. All right, we're going to hop over here towards southwestern Missouri, north of Joplin. Let's see, northeast of Joplin. We have quarter-size hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts being possible on that one storm. Nothing super wild. We do got a couple storms heading towards the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So heads up to my folks out there in... let's see here. Heads up to my folks out there in the Dallas-Fort Worth region here. As we are seeing ourselves, let's see here. Severe thunderstorm warning in effect for 1.5-inch hail, 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts over there. Let's see, northwest of Fort Worth, 1.25-inch hail and 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts there. It's not every day you see that, but yeah, 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts out there by Springtown towards Azle, I think it is. So heads up to you guys. We've got kind of a little line here of cells popping off overall. Just kind of a big line kicking up there. So just heads up towards the Dallas area. Like I said, you guys are in the enhanced risk out there. And obviously, like I said, these storms are kicking up pretty strong. I mean, we got some pretty strong wind gusts, coming up, and some hail coming out of these storms here. So just a little bit of an extra heads up to my folks on the Dallas-Fort Worth region. Anyways, hopping back over here to the tornado warning, y'all. Like I said, kind of the storm of the moment right now. We definitely need to be watching this one closely. Out there towards Westphalia, we have Lynn included. They did remove it from Toes, I think it was. So Teos, I called it. I'm not too sure on that name, but yeah, so it's still in effect for Westphalia as well as Lynn. Okay, so we'll definitely keep an eye out there for that. Let's see here. See, there's quite a few severes getting issued, like right over here. Yeah, it's crazy. How's Tennessee looking for tomorrow? So, yeah, Tennessee's got to be on the lookout there, my friend. We do got ourselves a enhanced risk for a lot of the central side of the state. But, like I said, we'll just let's just focus on today's risk right now, guys, because, like I said, we got ourselves a lot of days worth of severe weather. And, obviously, with the current activity going on, let's just focus it as it's happening. But we'll get more into that there. like I said, we'll get more to it here, tomorrow and stuff like that. But anyway, so yeah, so we are watching that. Let's see here. So on Interstate 40, west here of Oklahoma City, we got another storm popping up out there by, let's see here, Bridgeport, Greenfield, Oklahoma, my bad. 1.5-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts being a possibility there. Let's see. Ignore the dogs in the background. So north of Oklahoma City, we have another set of storms here. 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, 1.25-inch hail, tornado possible tag. So like I said, there's quite a few tornado possible tag storms here. So we'll definitely be watching out there for that overall. Let's see. St. Louis. Yep, they just added a warning for St. Louis here for golf ball size hail. So golf ball size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts being a possibility there. So heads up to you guys out there by St. Louis, including the Clayton area, by Maryland Heights, by Ferguson, Jennings, Spanish Lake. Let's see, Florissant, I think it is. St. Charles, like I said, you guys are now included in that severe thunderstorm warning there for the next 45 minutes, basically. 1.75-inch hail, golf ball size hail, and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts being a possibility. Now, to the west of that, the current storm is currently over areas by like Chesterfield and Weldon Springs currently. We got ourselves, this including a lot of the majority of 64 throughout the region here between Weldon Springs and Chesterfield is where that's currently at. It's currently over the radar site too, but you can see if you look closely, we do have a little bit of purple kind of popping up there. That's likely a bit of hail that's falling into the lower levels of the atmosphere that the radar is scanning there. But yeah, 1.75-inch hail on that, guys. So we'll definitely need to be watching very, very closely on that storm. Let's see. Actually, you know what? We just got reports of golf ball size hail in that storm. Actually, yeah, we have reports of 1.75-inch hail kicking off out there between Chesterfield and that was actually between Chesterfield and Clarkson Valley is where that was at. Let's see here. Out there by Central Missouri, this includes Lynn, Loose Creek here. Let's see here. We got Rich Fountain. Like I said, this is the tornado warning we're watching out there for. We got ourselves a little bit longer to go. About 28 minutes left on this warning here. So we'll definitely be watching this one closely. I do not, like I said, the radar, unfortunately, we don't have the best of radar coverage where the storm is at. It definitely does look like there is a little bit of mess going on in there south of Loose Creek towards the Lynn region. So if you live out there in Loose Creek and Lynn, Westphalia, and Rich Fountain out there in basically east central Missouri, a bit of a heads up to you guys because, like I said, we have a tornado warning in effect for these regions here, and we'll definitely need to be watching out for it. Also, on top of that, too, guys, there is a possibility for quarter hail and maybe some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts being possible. So let's just keep an eye out there for that storm. Anyways, let's see here. We're going to work our way over here to, let's see. Got to hop our way here down to the south. Yeah, we got a lot of storms popping off out there. Let's see. We're keeping an eye out there towards Dallas area. Like I said, yeah, here in Dallas, we got ourselves a bit of activity starting to pop off here. Let's see here. Wolf Gamer, thank you so much for being a member for 7 months, my friend. Waving. What's up, Wolf Gamer? Hope you're doing good, my friend. Thank you for being a member for 7 months. Greatly appreciated. That is super, super sweet of you. Big shout out goes to you, my friend. Thank you, Wolf. But yeah, so northwest of Fort Worth, we got ourselves a storm popping through out there by Springtown, Pelican Bay, Azle, I think it is, Rome, and New Fairview is coming up too. So we'll definitely need to watch out for that. And then, of course, like I was saying, we have ourselves, this big line kind of, forming here, out there just kind of to the southwest of the Dallas-Fort Worth region. So we got ourselves, just this big line that is forming there, in which, we'll keep it out there for that because, like I said, the severe activity is expected to, drive eastward. If you hear my dogs in the background, just ignore them. They are going nuts over something right now, probably like the mailman or something. Just ignore them. But, yeah, there is definitely a lot of strong wind gusts on these storms here. Also, like I said, quarter-size hail being possible too. So between hail and, like I said, damaging winds and stuff like that, we'll have to definitely just be watching out for that. Let's see. Is that a new tornado warning? Yeah. We just got a new tornado warning, guys, up here in Oklahoma, out there northeast of Oklahoma City, out there by Morrison towards Glencoe. Let's see. We got ourselves a tornado warning in effect here for quarter-size hail. Let's see here. This expires in about 25 minutes. Let's take a look at the velocity here. Honestly, like I said, I really don't see a lot of craziness on the velocity, but it looks like that there is a little bit of rotation here just located south of Morrison. So if you live out there in Morrison, Oklahoma, just a bit of a heads up for you guys. We're definitely going to be watching out there for this area. Like I said, we also have another tornado warning here up in, oh my God, another one. Holy cow, St. Louis now under a tornado warning. Heads up to my St. Louis people out there. 1.75 inch hail. Wow, also as well. So there you go, guys. Looks like, we got a tornado warning out there by Chesterfield. This is pretty concerning. So if y'all know anybody in St. Louis, send this stream to them now. Because like I said, this thing is going right into the heart of St. Louis here. 1.75 inch hail also possible on that one cell, so we'll need to watch out there for that one very closely. We got another tornado warning in effect here, once again, just kind of southeast of Jefferson City by Lynn, also in Missouri. So, like I said, heads up to you guys. Like I said, this is just kind of turned into a really bad situation here. But it definitely looks like we have a bit of rotation by Chesterfield. Let's change over to the correlation coefficient here. We're going to take a look at that. Oh, that might even be a debris ball. Oh, wow. All right, y'all, let's see this. That's a confirmed tornado, guys, on the ground. Confirmed tornado on the ground. I can confirm that now. That is on the ground, my friend. Look at that. So there's a debris ball right there, right over that velocity couplet. There is a tornado on the ground in St. Louis, Missouri. I got to text my friend and let him know. Let's see here. Holy cow. Holy cow. Yeah, that's definitely pretty crazy. So, guys, once again, St. Louis. If you guys know anybody in St. Louis, Missouri, there is a tornado on the ground right there just near Chesterfield. Holy cow, that is definitely getting pretty tight, too. And once again, that latest correlation coefficient view confirms that tornado there. That is a confirmed tornado. They didn't confirm it yet on the radar here. Or they didn't confirm it there, but it's 100% on the ground, guys. This is 100% a tornado on the ground. And like I said, also on this storm, too, we actually have reports of 1.75 inch hail. So not only are we seeing, confirmed tornado right there on the ground, you guys. Still ongoing. Still is ongoing. This is heading towards Maryland Heights. Out there by, let's see here, Creve Coeur, I think it is. Heads up towards Olivet. We have Overland, Saint Anne, let's see, St. John's, those areas out there. Once again, this is a confirmed tornado in St. Louis, Missouri. Get to your shelter immediately if you have not already, because like I said, this is confirmed. There is a tornado on the ground right now in St. Louis. Tornado on the ground right now. Let's see here. Yeah, we definitely got to be watching out there for this here. Let's see here. So, University City, you guys, I mean, literally downtown St. Louis right now is in the middle of this tornado warning there. So, there is confirmed tornado on the ground. Like I said, the last two correlation coefficient views, there's a debris signature there. And in this latest scan, you can actually see how that debris was continued to be dispersed. It is definitely going over some areas right now. This is, wow, that is something else, my friends. That is something else. And then unfortunately, unfortunately, it looks like there is a lot of buildings where it just hit too. Let me go back a frame here. So there it was right there. Oh my God, dude. Oh no. Okay, so. Dear God. Okay, guys, there is a lot of houses under that debris ball. Yeah, this is a very serious situation, you guys. Yep, continuing to still see debris on the radar there. Once again, guys, this is St. Louis, Missouri. This is going right into downtown St. Louis right now. This is definitely not a good situation here overall. Radar confirmed tornado. Also golf ball size hail here. Oh my gosh. Here, let's see. Do I have any cameras in St. Louis right now? Hold on, y'all. I'm going to try to find cameras. I don't know if I have any in St. Louis, but I'm going to try to look for some. I think I might actually. Oh yeah, we do got a lot of cameras in St. Louis here. Let's see here. Where's Chesterfield? Let's see here. Okay, I found it. I found the area. Here. We do got cams, guys. Let's see. We're going to add these up here. Yeah, we do got cams in that area. We're going to have to scan these guys real quickly, see if we can find anything. Towards Creve Cower. That's... Holy cow. So that's a little bit east of where... So it should be right around in this area here somewhere. Holy cow. Uh-oh. That camera's down. Yep. I think that whole road is down. It could have been... Oh, my goodness. Wow. Let's go a little bit more further to the east here. Let's see if we can get anything here. God, dude. That is a really bad storm. Let's see here. So latest scan, guys, regarding this. Let's see here. Honestly, it looks like the rotation might have dropped off a bit, which is good news. Let's see here. It looks like that debris is also scattering a bit. It doesn't look like that's any fresh debris. But like I said, guys, if you're just now tuning in here, we just got a tornado that hit St. Louis. St. Louis just got hit by a tornado here, unfortunately. Yeah, there was a debris ball right there. You can see on my bottom right-hand corner screen. There was a debris ball. Next scan, see all that debris got shot and kind of spread out throughout the atmosphere. And you can see how it just continues to spread. It doesn't look like it's still picking up debris. This is what an active tornado looks like whenever it's kicking up debris. But yeah, regardless, that is a very, very bad situation here. All right, let's see. I'm going to hop back over here, y'all. We got another tornado warning. We have two other tornado warnings here. I'm going to keep this one up on St. Louis on the bottom right. I'm going to move this one around, though. Let's see here. Let me go ahead and bring back up our reflectivity here. So, yeah, we got ourselves another tornado warning here just to the west of St. Louis. This is just southeast of Jefferson City by Lynn, by Loose Creek, by Judge, Rich Fountain, let's see here, Mint Hill, Odd, Loystown. See, 17 minutes to go on this warning here. Also, like I say, quarter-size hail possible on that storm as well. Let's see here. We're gonna bring our way back over here to Oklahoma. North of Oklahoma City, we got ourselves another tornado warning out there by Morrison, by Lela, I think it is. We have Glencoe, we have Yost included. 16 minutes on this one. Also quarter-size hail being possible. So heads up to you guys in that region there in Oklahoma too. The Oklahoma storms are definitely starting to pick up a bit. We are definitely seeing a lot of large hail and some damaging winds out of these guys, like 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts on some, ping-pong ball-size hail on others. I mean, yeah, regardless, there's a lot of activity starting to kick up there in Oklahoma. Also heads up to my folks in Dallas, Texas. We got kind of a discrete supercell and just northwest of Fort Worth kicking off here. Currently severe warned for 2-inch hail. So 2-inch hail and 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Seems to be a possibility on that storm. So a bit of a heads up for you guys. That is definitely A little bit concerning here. So taking a look back over here at the St. Louis storm, like I said, if y'all don't know what just happened, like I said, we just had a tornado touchdown, confirmed tornado that did some damage in St. Louis just a few moments ago. There is still a tornado warning in effect for St. Louis. It's not done yet. So extra heads up out there by St. Louis towards Northwoods, Jennings, Bellefontaine neighbors. We have Ferguson, St. Anne, Maryland Heights, Overland, Olivet. We have Creve Coeur, I think it is. We have Fontanac. And Ladue, I think it is. So heads up to you guys. Once again, this was a confirmed tornado there. In St. Louis here. Like I said, still is. It looks like it might have. That rotation looks like it did definitely pick up a little bit, or definitely did drop off a bit, which is good. But still, like I said, that storm could easily recycle overall. But yeah, there's definitely a very obvious debris signature on that. You can see on this scan here, debris right there. On the next scan that came through, you can see how that debris got dispersed. So unfortunately, I have to tell you, there was damage in St. Louis just recently from the storm here. Within a couple minutes ago, there was a tornado that touched down. Like I said, this is still a dangerous storm. This is not done yet. This storm is still very dangerous. We're also golf ball size hail is going to be possible on that storm. So not only is there a tornado, or a confirmed tornado that just hit St. Louis, but like I was saying, there's also that threat for very large hail too, and obviously, like I said, damaging wind gusts as well. So heads up to you guys. And like I was saying, we got ourselves another tornado warning here. This is actually out there by the central side of Missouri. This is just southeast of Jefferson City by Loose Creek, by Rich Fountain and Lynn. These areas are still inside of a tornado warning here. We got ourselves, let's see here. Let me go ahead and see exactly how long we have on that. Actually, I think they might have just removed that tornado warning, in which they just did. Yes, so you guys are now clear to come out of your shelters, although I would definitely remain indoors. If you live out there by Loose Creek, by Rich Fountain and Lynn, as the storm definitely still has the possibility of producing some quarter-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, so still a bit of a heads up for you. But like I was saying, though, we're still watching out because, the storm out here in St. Louis, even though it looks like that tornado has lifted, there very well could be a bit of like I said, there very, very well could be a recycling of the storm. Sometimes you get these storms here that look like they're done producing tornadic activity, but then they just recycle a few frames later and then drop another tornado. So that's kind of what we're still looking out there for. So still, if you live out there in St. Louis, we definitely need to be in our safe spots, guys. Once again, towards Maryland Heights, towards St. Anne, Overland, Creve Coeur. We have Olivet. We have Pagedale, Northwood here, Normandy, Ferguson, Bellefontaine neighbors, and Jennings. You guys are inside of that tornado warning. So heads up to you guys, as once again, we just had a tornado that just went right through St. Louis. It looks like we just got a new severe thunderstorm warning here not long ago, extending that one tornadic cell that we were watching a little further to the west here, just southeast of Jefferson City. We got ourselves now a severe thunderstorm warning out there by Gasconade, I think it is, towards Herman, Berger, and New Haven. We got ourselves, still a pretty nasty storm rolling into the region here. Let's see, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail is what we're still watching out there for. We got another tornado warning up here in Oklahoma. We're going to go ahead and bring you guys over here towards Oklahoma City's radar because, like I said, we have another tornado warning that is in effect across portions of Oklahoma. This is out there by Morrison as well as Glencoe. So heads up to Glencoe and Morrison, Oklahoma, as we do have ourselves a tornado warning in effect here, as we did spot some rotation here. Now, this tornado warning I don't think is set to last too much more longer. Yeah, we got about 11 minutes left on that tornado warning out by Morrison and Glencoe. So a bit of a heads up for you guys. Once again, still be in your safe spots. Be well away from windows. Once again, if you have a basement or a storm cellar, that's where you want to go. If not, then the next thing you want to go to is obviously, at that point, if you do not, then the next thing you want to do is go to your safe spot, or such as an interior portion of, such as an interior portion of your home. So, that is what you got to do. Let's see. We're going to try to pull up some more cameras around that area. So I'm going to try to find, like I said, we have that one nasty storm that's kicking off there still in St. Louis. So let's go ahead and hop our way back over here to that St. Louis radar. We have a lot of reports of, like I said, we have a lot of reports out there of, some hail and some damaging winds and all kinds of stuff like that. So definitely is still very active over in some of these regions here. I'm gonna grab a let's see. We're gonna grab a camera kind of out there by Ferguson. I think I have one near Ferguson that we can look out there for. Let's see. There's Olivet. Let's see. Where is that in relation? We have Normandy. Let's see. Olivet. We have Wellston, Delwood. Where's Delwood at? So I'm trying to find the exact spot of where this is at. So there's Brentwood, Olivet's. See here, trying to work. Oh, there's Olivet. Okay, so there's Olivet. There's Olivet. So we need to go a little bit more to the northeast, out by this area here, somewhere in this vicinity. There could be a lot of heavy thunderstorm activity there. Like I said, because these regions out there in St. Louis is also still in the warning for not only that tornado, but also the hail on that one as well. Let's see here. Ping pong ball size hail, and 60 mile per hour wind gust there. So we'll definitely be looking out there for that. Let's see if I can find a better one. Oh, wow. Look at that sky back there. Wow, that's pretty brutal. Let's see. We like cams. Oh, yeah. Cams are good. Cams definitely are pretty good. All right, so let's see here. So, yeah, it looks like that hail threat is definitely starting to grow on that one storm in St. Louis. You can start to see that there's a bit more of that, kind of that pink and white color starting to pop up on the radar. That's basically telling us that there is a lot. Let's see here. Basically telling us that there's a lot more ice crystals in terms of hail. Also, here's some information for you guys. West of Chesterfield, we reported 61 mile per hour winds with that storm. Also, 1.75 inch hail. Let's see, quarter size hail on that as well. So we definitely got ourselves a lot of those popping off here. Let's see, 1.75 inch hail by Russellville. Let's see here. Yeah, we got a lot of reports on these storms out there in central Missouri of at least producing hail up to 1.75 in some areas, of course. Let's see. We're gonna do a little update. We're gonna dive south again, you guys. We're gonna head out here over here towards Dallas for a moment. We're going to keep you all over here. I'm going to take a moment away from that camera for a minute. So out there in Dallas, like I said, we have ourselves a storm just northwest of Fort Worth area by Rome and Newark and Fairview area. We got ourselves a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for 2-inch hail, as well as 65 mile per hour wind gusts. Also, like I said, we have kind of this big line that's forming here. Like I said, it's really kind of producing the possibility of some problems, between damaging winds and hail. Matter of fact, we actually have a report here out by Bangs, Texas, that we got reports of 71 mile per hour winds out there. So it's definitely really picking up in some of these regions here. I mean, we got ourselves a lot of warnings definitely starting to pop up there. But just wanted to let you all know that. So, we're going to hop on back over here to St. Louis. So, yeah, this is still in effect here. This is actually back to radar indicated here. So, but once again, like I said, places out there in St. Louis, we did actually get a confirmed tornado, unfortunately. And it looks like that storm might... Let's see here. It looks like it might be... Oh, wow, that's quite a hook on that storm there. I don't see much rotation in it, though. But it's definitely trying. It definitely looks like it could try to produce another tornado there, but that's why we still need to be in our shelters. Look at that. They just actually added a severe thunderstorm warning extending into Illinois from that storm by Edwardsville, by Glen Carbon, Mitchell, Highland, St. Jacob, Marine. We have Grant Fork. Let's see here. Hamel and Warden areas. Let's see, did they add that for ping pong ball size hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts? They did not add a tornado possible tag on there, so that is that. Let's see, I'm betting Tulsa gets missed. I called it yesterday. We'll see, Toby. Like I said, obviously, Tulsa is in some pretty hefty threats here, so we definitely do need to be watching out there for areas up near Tulsa. Of course, like I said, looking at the radar now, you can actually see here. We'll wait for this here, the radar to pick up some data. But whenever it comes to the Tulsa area here, there is a lot of severe weather just to the west of Tulsa, not very far. Like I said, there's Tulsa right there. I mean, this whole wall of precipitation is tracking relatively here to the northeast, so we'll have to keep an eye out there for that. In which, these storms right now out there by Oklahoma, like I said, we do have a tornado warning in effect for one of them out there by Morrison, Oklahoma, by Glencoe, Oklahoma. We got tornado and quarter-size hail. So not only is there that tornado concern, but also quarter-size hail too. That's going to be possible with that one storm there. So let's see. Marley says, I'm in O'Fallon and it's very quiet. Is that good? Well, if it's quiet, that's good. It's better than it being crazy. So, that's pretty good. Pretty good as of now. What's up, Night Venomous? Hope you're doing good, my friend. But yeah, we just got a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings popping off here. Like I said, it's really a lot to keep up with. Ooh, we got reports of, 2-inch hail out there in that one discrete cell like I was talking about. If we hop back over here towards Dallas, look at that one supercell that's just northwest of Fort Worth here. We're actually seeing this storm here that had actually literally reported or produced, in this case, literally did produce, let's see here, 2-inch hail. I had to move my camera a little bit. It did produce 2-inch hail, which is very large hail. Definitely is very, very large hail. So we got to definitely look out there for that. Let's see here. But yeah, 71 mile per hour winds on that one out there by Brownwood, Texas. So there's definitely a lot of, not just hail, but there's also definitely a lot of like, damaging winds and stuff like that that's on those cells there as well. So we'll keep an eye on it. By the way, guys, they did remove that tornado warning for Oklahoma. They removed that for Oklahoma. So as of now, we just have that one tornado warning there for St. Louis, Missouri. So heads up towards the St. Louis area. Like I was saying, this is still in effect towards like Maryland Heights by Jennings and Ferguson. You guys are still in that tornado warning there. We have 18 minutes to go on that tornado warning out there by St. Louis, in which let's switch back over here to that one storm. It definitely looks like it is, like I said, definitely looks like it is producing still some pretty large hail on that one cell, in which, once again, like I was saying, literally ping pong ball size hail is possible on that cell overall. And, like I was mentioning here as well, they did extended a severe thunderstorm warning into kind of west central, kind of southwestern Illinois, in order to obviously, prepare the people ahead of it, like Edwardsville, Guard, Highland, Grand Fork, Illinois, Hemel, Glen Carbon, and Collinsville. They added that warning to just prepare everybody in that surrounding area for the storm, because, like I said, this is definitely a pretty gnarly storm. Not only did it produce a tornado here just recently in St. Louis, but it also has been producing large hail. We got several reports there. As you can actually see, like quarter-size hail, golf ball hail. Let's see, also reports of 3-inch limbs down, 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gust there, 1-inch hail. And like I was saying here, you can actually see here on that latest scan, we have a lot of purple, kind of pinkish and white colors starting to, show up there on the radar, which in this case is likely just some very, very large hail here overall. So we'll definitely need to watch out there for that. We're going to go ahead and bring you all over here to a different camera. Let's see here. So the storm out there right now is by Ferguson and Jennings. So let's see here. I don't know if I have any good cameras out there. Let's see. There's Bell Ridge. There's let's try one of these northern ones here. It looks like it is raining there, so that could be one of the big area. I wish we had like a good radar overlay here that would show us. So some of these cameras are down, unfortunately. So let's try some of these northern ones out there. See if we can get any good views on these guys. Like I said, it's good to have these cameras. I will give props to St. Louis. They do got some good camera network up there in Missouri. So it makes things a little easy to, kind of to see the conditions and kind of see what's going on there. We'll use this camera for now. But anyway, so once again, they actually just updated that tornado warning there. They just removed it for Maryland Heights. However, we did just get reports of 1.5-inch hail out there by Ferguson, where that hail core is. So that storm is definitely producing some large hail there. They removed areas out there by Overland, basically in St. Louis. These are all areas in St. Louis. By Overland, by St. Anne, by Maryland Heights, Creve Coeur, all of it. They actually removed that tornado warning for those regions, but it's still in effect for the areas by St. John's, Normandy, Jennings, Northwoods. Let's see here: Pagedale, Bellefontaine, Neighbors, Riverview, Glasgow Village, Castle Point, and Moline Acres. So they still have it for those areas there, in which we'll definitely keep an eye out there for it. But yeah, so just a bit of a heads up for y'all. And like I was saying, with this storm that was going on there to the west, we still got that nasty supercell firing off here to the west here, in which we are seeing a bit of a hook on that storm there. And it also is producing some hail. Actually, we just got a report here not too long ago from this cell actually producing 1.5-inch hail, which is ping pong ball size hail. So that is definitely a little bit, like I said, it definitely is a little bit, concerning regarding hail. So we'll definitely need to keep it out there for that as well. Let's track our way down to the south here, y'all. We got ourselves like I said, got that line firing off out there towards, basically, Dallas area by, let's see, Lipen. We have Bluffdale. We have Tolar. Let's see, Brazos Bend, Granbury. So this one's actually producing here, $50 hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. But the one to the north of Fort Worth right now, this one's definitely quite a nasty supercell. We'll bring y'all to a little closer view over here. This one's directly north of Dallas-Fort Worth area. So there's Dallas, there's Fort Worth there. So north of the Fort Worth region, by Justin, by Newark, Rome, Ponder, Roanoke, Flower Mound, Double Oak, Denton, Corniff, let's see, Lake Dallas, Highland Village, Louisville, let's see, The Colony, Little Elm, Oak Point, New Hope, and let's see, Krugerville. We got ourselves that, like I said, that severe thunderstorm warning in effect there north of Fort Worth here, literally for 2-inch hail. So 2-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts is the warning there. Now, southwest of Fort Worth, we have another storm out there by Granbury, by Lipen and Tolar, like I was watching. Like I said, this one here, we got that $50 and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, like I was saying here a minute ago. Anyway, so let's see here. What's up, guys? Welcome back, y'all. Thanks for joining us again today. And like I said, unfortunately, we got some pretty crazy activity going on here, which kind of sucks. But like I said, we'll be here for y'all. Like I said, once again, I want to just make sure you guys are weather aware and obviously prepare for this event, because we've been forecasting for this event for a while now, right? So we've been talking about this event for a while now, in which obviously I want to just make sure that everybody is prepared, everybody is watching this storm, and like I was saying, guys, if you can, please consider subscribing for one, but sharing this more importantly, as this could be very, very helpful information. Honestly, guys, it looks like that rotation might be trying to come back here in St. Louis. Heads up to the areas by Glasgow Village, by Spanish Lake. Because it looks like over like Castle Point right now, it definitely looks like where you might be starting to pick up a bit more rotation within those last few scans. You can see, I go back here, like, let's say 3 frames. There is not a whole lot going on, but the last couple of them, you can kind of see how we're starting to get a little bit of an increase in those, I believe, those outbound winds there. Which is allowing for, it looks like it's starting to tighten up a little bit. So I would not be surprised if that system recycles. So just a little bit of a heads up for that area out there. But we'll definitely be watching out there for all of that here overall. Let's see here. Let me make sure my everything is good here. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure my friend will be fine. Because, like I said, I have a friend out in St. Louis. He's actually helped me build my weather station, and there's a tornado that dropped down in St. Louis. So, if you have any family that lives in St. Louis, do a quick checkup on them. Make sure they're okay. Because, like I said, we just got a tornado that ripped through portions of western St. Louis here a little bit ago. Okay, so we got a big cluster of severe thunderstorms popping off out there in southwestern Missouri. Let's see, out there by Stockton, by Arcola, Roscoe, Vista, Osceola, Cross Timbers, Hermitage. Let's see here, Bolivar. Let's see here, Halfway, and Aldrich. We have ourselves some severe thunderstorm warnings in effect here for quarter-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Just kind of a few, not super, super severe storms, but there's a couple of storms out there that, obviously could be producing, some of those criteria there. So just a bit of a heads up for you. Out there by Illinois, it looks like things are starting to pop up out there. See, south of Lincoln, we got ourselves, looks like a bunch of storms starting to fire off here. Let's see, by Lovington, by Bethany, Dalton City, and Hammond. This is for ping pong ball hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts out there. So heads up to you guys. Southwest of that, we have Taylorville. Let's see. Included with that warning, 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, quarter-size hail as well. So kind of a, once again, not a super, super severe threat, but it's definitely starting to get pretty strong. So a bit of a heads up for you guys out there. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and work our way over here towards St. Louis radar here. We'll get another look at that one storm there. Like I was saying, it looks like it might be trying to recycle here, in which, honestly, that last scan... Yeah, I don't know. We'll definitely see here. We'll definitely keep an eye on it. What's up, Rain? Saying it's been an interesting day. Yeah, you could say that. It's been a little interesting. A lot of activity popping off here now. We had ourselves, kind of a break where there was not many tornadoes activity, but it looks like things are starting to kind of pick up regarding that. But yeah, also like I was saying, St. Louis, we have multiple reports of large hail too coming through. Some damage, some limbs down, and a lot of damaging wind reports out there. A couple of them, but mostly hail reports out there in some of those regions there. Let's see here. What's up, Brooklyn? All right, sounds good. Let's see here. We're in a tornado watch, Kyle. Gotcha. Yeah, be safe, my friend. Keep an eye out there for it. All right, let's dive down here a little bit to the south. Let's get a little update here on the Dallas storms. Like I said, we're watching a group of cells working their way over here towards towards Dallas. Wow, dude, a lot of reports. Holy cow! 2.5 inch hail. 2-inch hail, 2-inch hail. Wow, that storm definitely did a big toll of hail. It kind of looks like that hail core might be fading it a little bit, so that's good news. But still wouldn't underestimate that. Let's see what they have that warned for. 2-inch hail. Yeah, 60-mile-an-hour wind gust. Yeah, we also got a cell to the southwest of Fort Worth here too, popping off by Toller. See Brazos Bend, see Pekin Plantation, towards Glen Rose, towards Rainbow, Lipen, Morgan Mill, Bluffdale. So definitely is, especially that northern one, directly north of Fort Worth. It's a pretty gnarly storm. Definitely has had quite the history on it, producing that large hail. All right, let's hop back to that tornado warning, y'all. Like I said, we have a tornado warning in St. Louis still. Still watching out there for it. We got Jennings, Normandy, Ferguson. You guys are still in that warning there. Let's check on the things here. So yeah, we got 7 minutes left on that tornado warning there, so not super long. Let's actually blow this up here. Let's see. Anthony says, around what time tomorrow should I be ready in Nashville? So let's look here. let's see. We got the 18 Zulu run here. Kind of has those cells firing off at 20 Zulu roughly. So that would be, let's see, 20 Zulu. So 0 Zulu. So that would be like what, 4 Eastern, 3 Central? Pretty sure, yeah, 4 Eastern, 3 Central. Somewhere around in then. Did I say 3 Eastern, 4 Central? No, it would be 3 Eastern, 2 Central. Sorry. My bad. Wrong way. Oh, wow. Yeah, we got 2-inch hail report here. Let's see. Spotter measured 2-inch hail at his house. Wow. That's, yeah, definitely some pretty nasty storms out there. Let's see here. Yeah, we're starting to get some flash flood warnings being issued there towards central Illinois. That's also another thing we got to watch out there for, guys, is flash flooding. And speaking of, here a minute ago, let's see here, the Weather Prediction Center issued a mesoscale discussion across Illinois saying that, let's see here, 2 to 4 inches of rain. It's possible through some of those areas out there. Let's see if we can pull it up here on my thing here. Oh wait, that's never mind. Yeah, I was about to say that's Weather Prediction Center. There's our new update here. So in about 49 minutes, we're gonna get a new convective outlook here. So they'll be able to give us a new update. Wow. Look at that thing. It's interesting. Anthony, yes, PM. Yeah, look at that stuff blow up there. The storms really take off. They canceled that tornado warning, guys, in St. Louis. We're good now. We don't have any tornado warnings right now. So that's good. Let me check on velocity, though, just to double check, see what's going on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that rotation definitely did die out. That's good. But it definitely left a lot of mess behind it. I mean, look at all those reports down there. Shoot. We've had quite a few of them. Yeah, especially this one here northwest of Fort Worth. This one was definitely pretty hefty. Big trail of big trail of hail out there. See, maximum I see there's a lot of 2 to 2.5 inch hail reports out of that one storm there. It looks like that hail has dropped a bit. Let's see, 03. Yeah, so about 10 minutes ago we got ourselves about 10 minutes ago we got ourselves another report of quarter hail. Let's see here. Weather says, I know you said tomorrow probably won't be a high risk, but I'm still very concerned about Indianapolis in afternoon hours. After what I saw from a guy that thought it was. I mean, like I said, I don't think it's at the point now of a high risk. I think we're good with a moderate for now. Unless I see some like serious trends, which, let's actually hop to models real quick. One of the new things with the models is it really does show an increase in that tornado, that significant tornado parameter, basically just kind of highlighting the areas with the best tornado ingredients. Really, it seems like it's really trended west now. Out there by, first of all, like northern Kentucky included there, by Louisville area. Of course, we have like southwestern Ohio by like Cincinnati. And then, of course, like central Indiana starting to be a little bit more concerning about some of those regions there. It's not just the model. It's not just that model. Obviously that the greatest is being trended by all these models, except for Nam, because Nam's an interesting model. But yeah, no, tomorrow's definitely pretty concerning. I'm not gonna lie with you. Wow. Yeah, that definitely is very concerning for a lot of these regions. I wouldn't, like I said, I'm really not surprised they added a 15% tornado risk there. I think that's going to be needed. Just given the fact of our shear. I mean, look at this. Look at our low-level shear. I mean, we got that surface low I was talking about. That strong low pressure here out there by kind of near Chicago, according to this model here. And due to that really strong low pressure system, it's really, really amplifying those lower level winds, which will be very important in producing tornadoes and stuff like that. So, any cams near New Haven, Missouri? I don't know. Where's New Haven? I have no idea where New Haven's at. We got a lot in St. Louis. Let's see here. Where's this at? Oh, it's in a severe thunderstorm warning. Okay. We might actually. Hold on a minute. No, this is between these two areas here. No, so we have ones on Interstate 44 and on Interstate 70. And unfortunately, the storm's kind of right between both of them. That is kind of a nice, nasty storm, though. Where was the tornado in St. Louis? It impacted St. Louis here a while ago. Let's see here. Find out like near exactly where that was at. We'll go ahead and go back in our scans here a little bit ago. Yeah, we did have that tornado that dropped there. Where is it at? Can't see it. Hold on. Let me pull up velocity. It'll be a little easier to detect. Was it somewhere down there? Oh, it was over here. So it was like east of Chesterfield is where that tornado dropped. Oh, that's interesting. Might be a distant shelf cloud on that one there. Let's see. Had my fill of tornadoes over the last 2 years, says Anthony. Yeah. I hear you, man. I hear you. Yeah, we're going to take a moment. I don't know if I have any Texas cams. No, I don't think so. I don't think there's any good ones anyways. Yeah. Never mind. I was gonna say we can try to find some cameras on that one cell that we're watching north of Fort Worth that has like that train barrage of hail reports here. I mean, because is that a 4.5? There's no freaking way, dude. Oh my God. That is from the National Weather Service, too. Look at that. An NWS employee reported 4.5-inch hail. There is no freaking way. I'm going to try to... Hold on. I'm trying to snip this here so I can keep that. Like, that is freaking... Oh, my God. I can't reach it. Hold on. Come on. There we go. Perfect. Dude. Oh, my gosh. Let's see here. Thank you, Ragtie. Appreciate it. Ragtie says my daughter in Denton, Texas says their cars in their parking lot are destroyed. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, we've had a lot of nasty hail reports coming through here. I mean, look at all this. We have like one 4.5. Let's see, is that softball hail? No, that's grapefruit hail, my friend. Softball hail is 4 inches. That's like ridiculous hail. 4.5 inch hail. That's like that big, huge hail. Wow, that storm's still ongoing though. It's not as strong. Yeah, I mean, it might be picking back up a little bit, though. It kind of looks like we might have a little bit of more white starting to pop up there in the on the reflectivity scan. Okay, we had a couple cancellations out there in western Oklahoma. We did have a 68 mile an hour wind gust though from an ASOS station. Let's try back up here by St. Louis. Okay, yeah, all warnings are canceled for St. Louis right now, guys, so that's good. But it did leave a trail of some nastiness behind it. Like I said, we had 61 mile an hour winds up there, and we had a lot of hail, mostly north of the Chesterfield. Once again, we did have a confirmed tornado, though, in St. Louis, too, so heads up to you. Check on your folks. DVD size hail, I think. Ignore the dogs. I think DVD size hail is 5 inches, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's absolutely crazy. Let's check on this warning here north of Springfield. That looks pretty nasty. And we're going to do a look up here. So this is up there in Springfield, Missouri, guys. 70 mile an hour wind gusts and quarter hail. It's out there by Bolivier, Halfway, Aldrich, Fairplay, Dungan. Let's see, Humansville, Elkton. Let's see here, Wheatland, Preston. Let's see, Cross Timbers, Edwards, Fristow, Fairfield, Warsaw. Pretty big warning. I mean, that thing covers a big chunk of Missouri. In my opinion, is there going to be a tornado watch issued for Indiana? I mean, honestly, I don't think so. Yeah, I really don't think so. Not right now, anyways, because they did issue mesoscale discussions earlier talking about it. So we'll see. We shall definitely see here. But yeah, no, let's see here. Yeah, like I said, there's not a whole lot of severe activity going on right now for a lot of these regions here. What's up, Kaleidoscope? Hope we're doing good, man. Let's see here. Yeah, that is some big hail. What I've been noticing, though, is that they're starting to issue more warnings for flash flooding out there by central Illinois. So if you live out there in central Illinois, just heads up to y'all. Oh, wow. We're starting to get a lot of damage reports out here from uprooted tree. No picture. Let's see. Fallen light pole, a few shingles missing from a roof, light tree damage. Let's see here. ASOS 61. 3-inch limbs down. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of reports here regarding damaging winds and hail and stuff like that. I mean, it's definitely been pretty strong out there. And also, like I said, west of Jefferson City too. We got ourselves anywhere from 1 to 1.75 inch hail. There's definitely been a lot of hail coming through on that. Oh, got a new tornado warning, guys. All right, we're gonna hop back over here to, let's see. Let's go ahead and let that. Give it a minute. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so for northeastern Oklahoma, out there by Barnsdall. Let's see, Wyona. Let's see here. Neelagani, I think it is. Out there by Hormney and Avant. Got a tornado warning here in effect. Oh, yeah, that's some tight rotation. Oh, my God, it's confirmed already, dude. What the heck? Guys, we got a tornado on the ground here south of Winona, up here in northeastern Oklahoma. This is just shyly to the northwest of Tulsa. There's Tulsa right there. Wow. Okay, guys. Yeah, this is now a confirmed tornado here. That's tracking right towards Winona. It should probably... Yeah, dude, that is some strong rotation. Oh, there it goes. Now confirmed. Holy cow. Let me check on our Oklahoma, see if we have any cameras out there. Oh, man, that is a really strong tornado there. Ugh. Wow. Yeah, there you go. Very, very strong rotation, you guys, up here in northeastern Oklahoma that we're watching here. Let's see here. I'm trying to find... Okay, so that's the main one. So, yeah, I don't think we have any cameras up here, unfortunately, but very, very strong rotation with that one cell there. There is, so yeah, still a debris signature that is passing just to the south east of Winona. Going on there. Just to the southeast of Winona. And that is tracking kind of towards Barnsdall. Heads up to Barnsdall area. Looks like it is tracking in that general direction. But, yeah, man, right there towards Winona. That is a confirmed tornado. Still on the ground there. Got a debris signature on it and everything. God, man, it looks like they didn't get the warning in time, dude. Look. They didn't issue the warning until after they noticed it was on the ground. Oh, dear God. I mean, yeah, it was kind of hard to detect. It just kind of happened in 1 or 2 scans. The radar saw it, though. The radar was talking about it. But yeah, it wasn't warned until it was already on the ground. Because there's your polygons at the time being, and there's that first detection. Then the next scan, they issued that confirmed tornado warning there. Oh, man. Yep, so we'll have to watch out there for that. So heads up towards Barnsdall, towards Avant, and Neelagani, I think it is. Let's see here. Plant says I'm in Hominy. So that confirmed tornado is just to your north, my friend. You are in the tornado warning, but that tornadic part of the cell is to your north. I think you're good. I would remain in your safe spot though until the warning is canceled, or at least it updates and it moves out of you. But yeah, so there's where you're at. This storm is up to your northeast a bit. The latest scan, I'm not seeing debris. Once again, though, it definitely could recycle. could recycle. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll definitely keep an eye on it. But, yeah, there was some really strong rotation with that a little bit ago. Let's see here. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. Once again, these things are known to recycle. Okay, while it looks like a tornado is dropped and it's finished, in reality, sometimes they can recycle and can do it all over again. But, yeah, definitely, wow. Yeah, really had a hook on there, too, for a minute. See right there, last scan. Which is for Osage County, guys. Plant says got quarter-size hail now. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprising, man. Wouldn't be surprising. Wow. Yeah. I mean, it's still rotating pretty good, guys. It's still rotating. So, once again, I would not be surprised if it drops again, y'all. Big shout out, or sorry, not shout out. big heads up to the areas by Neelagani and Barnsdall, Oklahoma. Once again, Northeastern Oklahoma, out there by Barnsdall and Neelagani. Definitely some strong rotation there. We're going to try to request another packet here, see if it'll come through. But you can still see there's a little something right under that TVS there. But yeah, she's definitely still rotating pretty good. Also, we got ourselves a severe thunderstorm warning up in Virginia. Interesting. All right, we're gonna hop back over here though. This is obviously the main problem right now. It looks like it's gonna go. Oh wow, it's gonna go like right next to both of those cities there, towards Neelagani and Barnsdall. Yeah, it is definitely rotating very, very heavily. Last two scans, there's no obvious debris. I mean, it could just not be hitting anything. There's a very good chance this thing is still on the ground. It's just not showing up on radar because it hasn't hit anything. Let me check on the radar where this is at. It looks like, I mean, yeah, there's like no buildings or anything around here. Or at least where it's at right now. It's heading into more populated territories. It's like Barnsdall. Yeah, Barnsdall is a pretty populated town here. Kind of see all that, those houses and stuff like that. But, yep, she's definitely still rotating good. Let's see here. Yeah, so, let's see here. Yeah, you can obviously tell that hook echo on there too. Definitely, you got that cooler air coming in from the backside, which is your rear flank downdraft, and you got your warm inflow coming in here too, and all that acting together is not only creating a cyclonic motion of air, but it is also a big thermodynamic differential too, because you got that cooler air coming down from your upper level atmosphere, and then you got your warmer lower level air, like that warm moisture and your higher humidity, air, and just that thermodynamic differential can create some pretty nasty stuff. Okay, that's a very tight scan there. I don't know. Oh, man, it looks like it's going right towards Barnsdall now, guys. So if you know anybody in Barnsdall, give them a heads up now. This is a very serious situation, and Barnsdall is literally about to get hit here. It looks like, yeah, this thing is tracking right towards Barnsdall. That thing is about to... Yeah, that thing is about to hit Barnsdall. Oklahoma. Once again, guys, if you live out here, if you know anybody out here, this is directly north of Tulsa. We definitely need to watch out there for it. Let's see here. My sister is in Winona. She has her basement. Power is going off and on. Oh, gotcha. So, yeah, the good news is that tornadic part is a little bit to the east. Yeah, it got right next to Winona. Let's see here. Yeah, latest scan, I'm still not seeing anything on there regarding that. But there's still rotation there. That's going... There's a possibility that this thing could just go to the west of Barnesdall. But, we'll see if that ends up happening there. Let's see. Yeah. Also, yeah, a bit of a heads up there towards areas by let's see, Bartlesville. You guys are not in the warning yet, but just as a little bit of a precautionary heads up here towards Ochelata and Bartlesville. Bit of a heads up because that tornadic storm is heading in that direction. If it continues to do this, I would not be surprised if they did extend that tornado warning into some of those areas there. Oh, Fort Worth, guys, under a severe thunderstorm warning now. Let's see here. Yep, Fort Worth, Texas. Golf ball hail and 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And the hail threat has been observed here, too. Oh, my gosh. Whoa, dude. Did this thing start producing some hail? Yeah, it sure did. Remember when I was telling you it looks like that white was starting to pop back up? Dear God, dude. Yeah, 3-inch hail. 3-inch hail there. Will I be live tomorrow? Yeah. Like I said, tomorrow is my birthday, though, so I'm not going to be able to be here all day long, but I'm going to try my best to be here for a while. Because, like I said, it's... Yeah. I'm going to try, though. Try my hardest to be live here as long as possible. Of course, Mother Nature doesn't care whenever severe weather pops off. It's just... It'll do it on its own, unfortunately. Let's see here. What's up, Roby? Hope you're doing good, my friend. Hey, Mark, are you still here? Let's see. Dude, there's so many. Oh, wow. Baseball hail and 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts out there by Halfway and Buffalo, Missouri. Towards Lebanon, Phillipsburg, Evergreen, Falcon. Wow. Let's see. What about Dallas? So Dallas, yeah. So we're watching Dallas right now. Let's see here. Actually, we already have a radar up there. I don't know why I changed that one. We're going to move this one back up here to the one up here. But so down here, as of now, Dallas is not in the warning, but I would tell you this, to my folks out there in the Dallas region here, heads up to y'all over in these regions here, including Dallas, because like I said, that whole big storm there, that has a lot of history of producing hail and, damaging winds and stuff is tracking there. Okay, Mark, so I wanted to make sure if you were here or not, because I wanted to show you this. I remember you're out there in central West Virginia. I don't know if you knew this, but you're in the enhanced risk, my friend. We got a 10% chance for tornadoes for you. Hail, there's a 30% chance. In damaging winds, when it comes to it, we have a 30% chance as well. Yeah, like I was saying here, for tomorrow regarding tornadic activity, oh gosh. We got ourselves a big 15% risk, even including some of West Virginia, which I think that might be the first time West Virginia's seen a 15% for tornadoes. I don't recall that ever happening. I could be wrong, but that's. Anyways, but yeah, for you, you're still in a 10% hatch risk. I just wanted to let you know, my friend. Let's see here. Roby says, I hope you're good, Andrew, and happy early birthday in case you're not on around tomorrow. Oh, I'll be live here tomorrow. I will. Oh my gosh, look how big that tornado risk is tomorrow, dude. Like that 5%, that brown, that's considered a decent tornado threat. Wow. That has got to be like one of the largest tornado threats I think I've ever seen in my life. Like how many? Hold on. I'm trying to figure out something here. I know let's see. We're going to hop back to that tornado warning here, though. I want to figure out how many people is in the risk area. Yeah, I've been keeping an eye on correlation coefficient. There's, here, I'll bring y'all over here then. Yeah, there's nothing on there. But yeah, let me look at that real quick. So with tomorrow's tornado concern, let's see here. We have, buddy. All right, let's see here. I'm going to do a little bit of calculations here, right, real quick. So 12, let's see, 134, 874 plus 29, 209, 510 plus 16, 799, 754 plus 7709, 8, let's see, 6, 7. There is a total of almost 66 million people at risk for tornadic activity tomorrow. 66 million people is at risk regarding tornadoes tomorrow. Wow. That is unbelievable. I mean, like, that is a massive, massive threat there. You also hail and damaging winds there, too. Now, y'all are not about to like what I'm going to say here. My personal opinion, I think that 15% is probably going to extend a bit to... We got a new watch. Probably extend a bit to the west. I think it's going to include portions of Indiana by tomorrow. Speaking of Indiana, we just got a severe thunderstorm warning for Indiana and western, kind of southwestern Oklahoma. So heads up to you. Let's see here. Man. Yeah, that is definitely a little concerning. Let's see. Please pray for us, folks in Oklahoma tomorrow. Of course. Of course. Okay. So on that one tornado we were watching, it looks like that rotation has kind of unraveled a little bit here. Looks like it has unraveled a bit. Which is good news. We'll definitely still keep an eye out there for it, though. And of course, we got this one cell up in Missouri. Let's see. By Buffalo, Lewisburg, let's see here, Halfway, Lebanon, Evergreen, and Phillipsburg. Up here in southwest Missouri, we got a warning there for baseball hail, which is 2.75 inches and 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Tornado risk today in Dallas? Yes. Yep. Yeah, we got a 2% risk. Nothing super wild, but your main concern out there in Dallas, my friend, is going to be mostly hail, followed by damaging winds. So hail, 30% chance, damaging winds 15%, and tornadoes 2%. But yeah, I mean, you guys are right next to that. What is it? You're right next to that 5% though. Do I think Indiana will have a tornado watch? Yeah, more than likely tomorrow. Today, I don't know. I mean, well, actually, no, I do know. I don't think we will today because we do have ourselves a new watch that just got issued, a new severe thunderstorm watch that just got issued. So, oh, new tornado warning, y'all. They just extended that warning. I told y'all a while ago to keep an eye out there for the Bartlesville area in the Ochilada region. They are now in a tornado warning. So, if you were on the stream, you would have had a little bit more of an earlier advance. Also, Missouri just got a tornado warning, too. For that one storm by halfway Buffalo, Phillipsburg. Wow. Almost hit by the Lakeview tornado. Yeah. Glad you're all right there, Suzanne. Let's see. It's still way too still and quiet today. Birds in my yard were losing their minds. Blah, 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 blah. I wouldn't say that. I mean, it's definitely been very active regarding hail and stuff, dude. We've had so many reports already. We've had 80 hail reports today. 80. And we've had, let's see, 2 confirmed tornadoes that I know of. 2 confirmed tornadoes, and we've had, let's see here, 27 wind reports, too. We've had 88-mile-an-hour winds and 4.5-inch hail is the biggest I've seen today. That is ridiculous. All right, let's see here. See if I got any cameras down here. I might actually have some. That's just, wait a minute. That's north of Springfield. Is there Conway included? Dry Knob. Oh, Conway's right there. Okay. There's a camera. Yeah, we've had 80. Just a little bit. Yeah, so we're still watching that one warning towards. They're honestly probably going to remove that one tornado warning here pretty soon. Up by Pershing, see, Neelagani. Probably remove that here soon. But they got the one out there for Ochilada and Bartlesville now, so that's all we need. I mean, there definitely still is. Definitely still is a bit of rotation going on there. It's pretty broad. Pretty broad. It's got a lot of work to do if it wants to do something again, but I wouldn't. Ooh. Actually, southwest of that, just to the west of Tulsa by Cleveland. That right there looks like a bit of rotation popping off there near Osage. They got rid of the moderate. They got rid of the moderate, guys. Can it not focus? They removed the moderate risk, y'all. Hold up. Yeah, so they got rid of the moderate. Let's see here. It was actually for hail. Yeah, man, I'm curious to see what they've done with the whole risk area. Man. Okay, I'm gonna keep on updating this. Yeah, they literally removed it. Check the hail for the warning in Fort Worth. Okay. Oh yeah, I saw that one. Let's see here. Ooh. Oh. Oh, my gosh. They just issued a tornado warning down in Fort Worth. Oh, wow. Yeah, that thing is definitely tightened up. Guys, we're about to get a tornado here in south of Fort Worth. Out there by Joshua. There you go. There goes that moderate. Let's see here. 10% SIG. Yep, everything's the same. They just removed that moderate. Yeah, we're about to get a tornado here in southern Fort Worth. Like, it's about to happen. Look at that. Look at that rotation there. Ooh, buddy. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, we got a lot of tornado warnings now, y'all. Let's see here. We'll hop to this one. Guess we'll keep it over here by Springfield. Oh my God. Dude, that hail core though. Oh, no. That is not good at all. All right, y'all. Buffalo, Windyville. It's about to get windy, guys. Heads up to Windyville and Buffalo. That is a hook and a half if I've ever seen one. See it scan. Oh, still. My God, dude. Wow. That is a classic textbook supercell right there. Going right near Buffalo. Not New York. This is Buffalo, Missouri, guys. Buffalo, Missouri. I tell you what, man. If you live in Windyville, Missouri, you guys are probably about to get cored by some hail. Like, you guys are probably about to get slammed. We just got a new warning up here, too, for golf ball hail and 70-mile-an-hour winds. Just north of that tornado warning there. Man, there's another warning here just to the west of St. Louis. Things got some strong inflow. Right in there. That's where your rotation's at. Things got some real strong inflow. If you look at the reflectivity, so we got a lot of that warm air just piling up. A lot of that warm inflow, warm air just shooting into the storm there. And then you got on the backside, you got this cooler air that comes down, which is your rear flank downdraft. And ultimately what that ends up doing is creates some rotation right under that area, which can obviously creates that tornado. But yeah, I don't know, man. That's like a classic supercell. Oh, looks like that rotation out there on towards Bartlesville is picked up again too. Oh my gosh. Dude, we got like 3 areas at once trying to kick off here. I'm going to have to open up a third radar. Okay, so I'll keep this radar on the Osage one. Keep that one on that one, and then that one on that one. Okay, cool. Honestly, yeah, that rotation did drop a bit for the one south of Fort Worth, but that's still a subject to change here. Could definitely recycle. We got increasing rotation near Buffalo, Missouri. Has the hail or has a history of producing 2-inch hail, and then if we hop over here to the thing here, on the one storm out there by Osceola. Trying to pick back up there. So we got 4 tornado warnings in effect here. Well, technically 3, but one's an extension. Or technically 4, but one's an extension. Oh, there you go. They actually just removed it. So now we're down to 3. Let's see, towards Oglesby maybe. Towards Osceola. Yeah, definitely rotation there. Definitely is rotating there. Let's check up on the other one here. This is the one by Buffalo up in Missouri. Let's see here. Yeah, definitely still got that really strong inflow. Very, very large hail in that core there, too. Velocity is doing some interesting stuff, but then the one cell down here south of Fort Worth, that's tornado 1 there. We got ourselves Keene, kind of near that rotation. Pretty broad rotation that needs a lot of work, but there's a little bit of rotation there. It was stronger at one point. Yeah, it's not as strong there. Let's see here. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Northwest of Dallas, on that one storm, we've had reports of 2.5 to 3-inch hail. Any more warnings, you're going to need a second computer for all the time. Pretty much, Roby. Pretty much. All right, yeah, that rotation completely just fell apart towards Keene, which is south of Fort Worth. We still got rotation up there on that one tornado warning up there in Northeastern Oklahoma. Still needs a little bit of work too, it looks like. Nothing on CC. But yeah, this includes like Oldsby and Ashilada. Let's see here. Wow. Yeah. And then, of course, we got a... Yeah, that one's dead down there pretty much. This thing's literally holding on to its last leg. What's up, Jack? Hope you're doing good, man. Let's see. But yeah, there's three tornado warnings here. One in Oklahoma, one in Missouri, and one in Texas. Oh, man. Also, heads up there towards St. Louis. Got another severe warning there. Don't see like rotation on it. Why does that look like the Kool-Aid Man? Look at that, y'all. It's a Kool-Aid Man face. Oh man, I gotta save that. It's actually kind of funny. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. That's for that's for ping pong ball size hail though. Here, let me go ahead and do this too. Since I'm already remembering it, let me turn this down to level 3 threat. Because, like I said, guys, they did remove the moderate. Let's see here. What's up, Barbie? Hope you're doing good. Sorry, my phone's acting up. You're good, man. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of flash flood warnings there. Yeah, so we'll keep an eye on this one area here. Still kind of looks like we're pretty broad there. That's a t-shirt I want. The Kool-Aid one. That would be pretty funny. I did save that, though. I'm going to send that to my... There you go. I just sent it to my girlfriend to show her. All right, y'all. Let's change back over here to the one. So yeah, the one south of Fort Worth. Like I said, that rotation completely just died. Like there's no more rotation on that one. The middle one, the one we're talking about here towards Oglesby. Oh, they just actually extended that warning just now. So this now includes. So this is for Oklahoma, Northeast Oklahoma, including Nowata, Wadova, and New Alwa, in Delaware. Also towards Oglesby. Radar indicated threat. Also, yeah, not much hail on that one. That's good. That one's dead. Let's bring back up a radar towards Springfield. Get a look at that one. Tornado baseball size hail. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Yeah, look at that hook, dude. Wow. It's hard to tell what's going on there. There's a big radar hole there. Let's see. Yeah, Cats, you're not in the risk area today. We're gonna focus it on one day at a time, man. I mean, every once in a while I'll talk about tomorrow, but that's when we don't have tornado warnings. But yeah, you're not in the risk. You're not even in a thunderstorm risk today. Yeah, baseball hail and 70-mile-an-hour winds is definitely something you don't want to mess with. Yeah. I feel like it's she's trying to do it again. So yeah, we got a new warning out there by Delaware, Nowata, Wadova, and New Alwa. Alwi. However you say that area. Let's see. Yeah, no, on the one south of Fort Worth, though, it looks like that wind shear is increasing a little bit. But like I said, there's not really much rotation with it. We'll see. Keep an eye on it, though. I actually just updated that warning there. Oh, I got 2 on that warning. Oh, mesoscale discussion. What's all that about? Oh, wow. They're about to issue a watch for areas Dallas and East. An 80% chance. God, you can't even see that. So, here, I'll just show you. I don't know if it's popped up here yet or not, but so basically from Waco going up through here, like that area. That's where they're trying to issue a watch. Another mesoscale discussion? Oh, okay. Tornado threat is increasing this evening. out there in northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Missouri, and southeastern Kansas. Oh, buddy. Gotta show last screen feature track. Yeah, is that on the one for Dallas? Let's see here. Yeah, no, she might be trying to recycle. Oh, hold on a minute. I'm on the wrong screen. She might be trying to recycle, but like I said, it's, yeah, little. They did cancel that warning up north for that one storm that was producing 3-inch hail. Actually, I think that's what it produced, 4.5-inch hail before. Yeah, that's the biggest hail we've seen, guys, is 4.5 inches today. Plus, we have, I think it was 88-mile-an-hour wind gust today. Leo says, Ohio? Yeah, so Ohio is in the risk, man, tomorrow. Tomorrow's a big day for Ohio, so we'll keep an eye out there for it. All right, y'all. Honestly, I feel like I'm going to try to pick up night shift. Kind of more I'm thinking about it. I got to go get me some dinner because I'm hungry. I have only ate breakfast. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to head off here again. we're going to call the stream right now. But I will be back again later tonight, more than likely. Like I said, I just gotta have some time of the day where I gotta do stuff. Plus, I gotta eat, man. It's like super hungry. So, let's see. Being a METAR reporting altimeter setting of 29.84. That's pretty low pressure from what I know. But I go off of HPA or millibars usually. I usually don't go off of inches of mercury. Yeah, honestly though, on that one tornado warning, it looks like that outflow is dying, kind of dying out there. You see that? Oh, maybe position it a little better. Yeah, that's good news. That's good news. Hopefully that'll fade. Oh, we just got a new tornado warning, I think. Ooh, for Oklahoma. Thank you, Lisa. Appreciate it. Yeah, that was that one cell I kept on telling you guys earlier that I thought was rotating, or I told you like once, I'm pretty sure. That one's kind of dying, I think. Yeah, there's like not much rotation on that at all. It's mostly just straight line winds on that storm by Oglesby. I mean, even the new one they issued, it looked like it was rotating heavier earlier. And it looks like since it's kind of just turned into a bunch of winds. What about the one by Springfield? Let's see here. Alan! Dude, coming in here with a $10 Venmo donation. I appreciate that, man. Alan, wherever you're at here, man, I appreciate you helping to keep us aware. Thank you. Alan, you are very welcome, man. You definitely didn't have to donate. I appreciate that, dude. I really, really do, man. So big thank you goes to Alan, man. I really appreciate that. Like, you did not have to do that, man. That is very sweet. Will Tennessee get bad storms? Mostly tomorrow's for Tennessee's threat. But there is a possibility for an isolated severe storm or two out there in like western, kind of northern Tennessee. So we will see. But once again, Alan, man, I appreciate that. Very, very sweet of you. Yeah, but like I said, tomorrow, whenever my birthday comes around, like I said, tomorrow's my birthday, so I don't know how long I'm going to be live tomorrow, even though tomorrow I think is the worst of the days. I'm going to try my hardest to be live as long as I can. My girlfriend's coming down too, and I got to spend time with family on my birthday, so We, yeah, we'll pick back up on that then. But like I said, I'm probably going to go live again tonight for like late night coverage because a lot of the other weather streamers that are out there right now are streaming. And whenever they get offline, I'm probably going to hop on so that I can do some nighttime coverage and nocturnal threat. So, so like I said, just tune to your local news stations and, for weather radio, turn it on. Just look at the radar, all that stuff while we're gone. Even join our Discord, guys. In our description, you guys can join the Discord. We got ourselves a, like I said, what you call it? Like I said, our Discord, so you guys can check that out, stuff like that. Very big hail in Texas. Yeah, we've seen some pretty big hail, my friend. Pretty big hail. Do I think northern Kentucky or southern Ohio will get tornadoes tonight? I think that's mostly for tomorrow, but I wouldn't be surprised if we had a couple of supercells roll its way out there. Thanks, Cats. Appreciate it, man. All right, y'all. Yep, I'm gonna head off here for now. We're gonna be like, so I'm gonna get some food, and I'm gonna pick up on the nighttime coverage, okay? Because like I said, we've been live here for 2 hours on this one, plus like 3.5 on the other one. Let's see here. How long did I stream today? Yeah, 3.5 on the other one, and we did 2 on this one. So that's 5.5 hours so far. So we're going to pick up with part 3 here in a little bit. So we'll get to that here within the next couple of hours. Probably maybe like 11 or so. We'll see. Just going to, like I said, just going to be chilling for a little bit. Just give me an hour or two so I can eat dinner and just kind of unwind for a minute. But we'll be back. We'll be back. I promise you. I'll be back again later tonight, so you guys can still continue to be updated with the weather. So we're not gonna leave you hanging. But all right, y'all. We're gonna head off here for now. We'll be back here in a little bit. But okay. All right, y'all. Once again, thanks for joining. Let me check on the donators. Go ahead and say a big thank you to our donators here on this stream. I don't think we had any super chats on this stream. Let me double check though. Could be wrong. I'm usually wrong with stuff like that. I need to. My phone will work. Here we go. Yeah, before I head off here, let's check our super chats. Say, yeah, we have Wolf Gamer. That was a Tropical Stormer for 7 months. Once again, Wolf Gamer, appreciate it. And then we just had a Venmo donation here a few minutes ago from Alan. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. And that's the donators here for the stream. But all right, guys, we'll be back here later on. Like I said, y'all don't go anywhere. Well, I guess just join us back later on tonight. We'll be live here probably around 11 o'clock Eastern, so we'll see. But we will be back. MP, I'm taking some time off so I can go eat dinner and all that stuff and just unwind for a couple hours. But we'll be picking up with part 3 later on. Like I said, I've been live here for 5.5 hours combined between my last 2 streams. So, all right, y'all. We'll be back here shortly. Y'all take care. Much love to you. And stream's heading off here in about 2 minutes. So I'll catch y'all here in a little bit. All right, y'all. Much love to you, and we'll see ya later on. Peace out, my friends. Catch you then. Be safe.